Tango lali, gumilela, gumsidumin, lela, rajilela, imomela, ajar jari laju, ali pintane, jama jari laju, ali binku pinte. Let's go. Hey. The culture is so nice. Hello Arunachal Pradesh people, northeast, peace from Africa. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we are checking another music video from Galo people, guys. I just came to know that there is one tribe from Arunachal Pradesh. I don't know, but I'm just having a little question, like which is the biggest tribe in Arunachal Pradesh? I don't know much about them, but I came to know that like Arunachal Pradesh is a state whereby they also speak Hindi. I don't know, is Hindi is their first language of the state or not? You can clear out, guys, and let me know how many tribes do the Arunachal Pradesh people have, and what is the highest religion, like what is the major religion in the state, guys. So today we are checking Apuk Hii, official Galo Lyrical Mopin song. We have Marjum Pakam, Arunachal Pradesh, producer by Yinu Roll. Let's check it out. Thank you so much. You can also go and check my latest reaction to Arunachal Pradesh from Bomb Dealer Saipa, guys. Those guys really killed it. They have amazing. They inspired me by their music videos. So I'm checking. Today we are checking another traditional from Galo tribe. So in case if it is your first time here, guys, don't forget join the 100k family. I always do vlogs and reaction for the northeast people. Love you all. Let's go. Subtitle is there, guys. The lyric is there. So let's sing Marjum Pakam. This is the cultural dress. From the beat I can just know it is entertaining song. Apuk Hii, magu abaya, magu lataja. I can read from the lyrics. Asin hai, magu lataja, tage gali aku mekala. Bayi peta goyi rematala, luki pulu kalin kanone. I can't sing it. Mopin igu gore pone, Apuk Hii go pomore si eba, go pomore si eba. It is very easy to read and to understand the lyric. Oh my gosh, I can easily sing the Galo tribe lyric. I don't understand, but I can read it so easily, man. Yesi kori bomelela, tango lali, gumilela, gumsidumin, lela, rajilela, imomela, ajar jari laju, ali pintane, jama jari laju, ali binku pinte. Let's go. Hey. See, the culture is so nice. Oh, they also have that basket like the Kasi people. This is amazing. But their dress look also different when it comes to the colors. But look nice. Tapi gamilela, yapor gindane, kopu gamilela, nan hogila, ni pinkone, ajar laju, ni pintane, jarik laju. This is so beautiful. Wow. Momolo,
Hungry Durga Khone Bhupalela Udaras go
Laju, Magurelo go, Dodi Laju, Dodi Laju.
Pinalo
Adu
ko Mojialo Aku Ajar jar kelajo Ane biko pintane Jama jar kelajo
Ane biko pintane
Ajar jar kelajo
Ane biko pintane Jama jar kelajo Ane biko pintane. Hey. Amazing, guys. I love it. I can say I sang the whole version. I just want to know the singer, Marjum. Oh, Marjum Pakam. Your song is so beautiful. And yeah, she sounds so good, so confident, energetic, guys. I love this song, and it's my first time also seeing the cultural dress. I just came to know that they have like they have more type for sure. If they can wear white, and they can also wear in another part, they can also wear yellow with black. Wow, no, these people, they are so unique, guys. They have so beautiful traditional attires. But you know which one I love the most? The most traditional attires I love was the Nagaland people, man. The Nagaland people, especially for ladies one. I'm speaking of the ladies one. Is so beautiful, and just know for them, they all look unique in their own way. And it's my first time watching this. Like, oh, so nice. Galo people, guys. And I feel like the sound. I feel like this song is kind of a mix of Galo language and kind of Hindi, because I can see bolo. Bolo in Hindi is like tail, right? Yeah, that was really amazing. Thank you so much, guys. We'll keep reacting to the notice. All I need is your support and love, guys. Maybe soon, one day, I will come to Arunachal Pradesh, guys, because I see this city is so naturally amazing, beautiful, guys. So I'm currently in India, but staying in Andhra Pradesh, that is South India. Have so far I've been to Assam. I visit Assam. I visit Meghalaya, guys. I explored, and I visit so many places there. So I do reaction and vlogs. So hopefully maybe one day we will pull out in. We'll come to Arunachal Pradesh. Love you all. Don't forget subscribe, share this song. Love from Africa. Peace out.